My name's Fred Cornelius. I'm a licensed private investigator and owner of Curiosity Investigations and Criminal Consultation Services. I'd like to take a minute to go over the criminal consultation process. It's something that people don't really understand sometimes. First of all, let's talk about what we bring to the table. I think that my 27 years of police experience, 24 of which was spent in the Detective Bureau, is going to be hard to top locally or regionally when looking for somebody to be able to analyze and evaluate your criminal cases. I have over 80 law enforcement schools and trainings under my belt in all different areas of investigation, from child sex abuse to burglary to robbery to murder to forensic interviewing and anything that you can think of. And I bring that training to bear to help your clients get a just outcome. Since I retired, I have continued my education through courses specifically geared toward the defense of criminal cases that are offered by the New York State Defenders Association. Nobody is going to work harder to find a just outcome for your clients than Curiosity Investigations. I will work tirelessly to go through all of the material and work on the mounds of information that sometimes is hard for an attorney to get through on their own. So how does it work? Well, when you get the material from the district attorney's office, when you get that discovery link or that thumb drive or that file or whatever it is that you are provided, you give that to us. And then you let us create a roadmap for your case. We will download all of the information, review the things that are important. I will bring my years and years of investigative experience and my experience in supervising criminal cases and reviewing criminal cases on the prosecution side to bear in being able to look through the materials in an efficient and cost-effective way to be able to give the attorney an idea of where the strengths and weaknesses are in a given criminal case. As you know, there are so many electronic files, surveillance video, body-worn cameras, interviews of recordings of interviews and interrogations, and those take time to go through. I have the experience going through these documents and these files and can do it in an efficient way and be able to point out for you the different important areas of these files and provide you with bookmarks to be able to go to exactly the areas that you need to see yourself. I have spent decades writing search warrants, reviewing search warrants, and reviewing police reports so that I could then review the constitutionality of police conduct. And now I bring that knowledge to the defense side. Search warrants are a highly specialized area, and in many places are written by lawyers in small upstate communities like we have here, and really all of upstate New York. Search warrants are written by the police, and they're very, very difficult. And sometimes mistakes are made. I am able to review those documents thoroughly and be able to tell you if there was a mistake made and where it is, or potentially if there was not a mistake made. I have decades of experience also in police procedure, and I know what the normal accepted procedure is for law enforcement conducting investigations. I also go through the agency's policies and procedures, and I'm able to then provide you with uh, a document that shows that the police did a wonderful job and they followed all of their procedures to the letter, or in these certain circumstances, maybe there were things that were done that were not quite what their procedure says that they're supposed to do. And in that case, I would provide you with that information as well. So when do you get us involved? You get us involved right away. The sooner we get involved, the more help we can be, the more likely we're going to be able to help you in providing a good representation for your clients and determine the right pathway to be able to get that just outcome. Best case scenario, it should definitely be before motions are filed so that we can assist with crafting your plan for the defense. So what do you get from us? You get a written report, you get timely communication, and our report is going to have case facts, the timeline of the case, and our investigative observations, applicable case law, applicable police policy, and an analysis of the strengths and weakness of the case. And you're going to get that in a matter of days or potentially weeks, not months. Much quicker than you may expect. So, in closing, Curiosity Investigations is dedicated to providing a competent investigative product for criminal defense here in Central New York or wherever we may be needed.